guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my Julie Box unboxing for you guys. So if you don't know what Julie Box is, it is a monthly jewelry subscription service. So there are two different plans you can get onto. You can get the full subscription, it comes with 3 pieces of jewelry. There's always going to be earrings and it's $19.99 a month. I do have a code for you guys to take 10% off of your first month's order. You could also get just the earring subscription and it's $9.99. So I think that there's a great deal, especially if you're someone who is into jewelry. So this is actually my favorite subscription box that I have ever gotten because the jewelry pieces are spot on. They're right on with the trends and they last really well too. So I've been subscribed to this box for the past 3 months. None of my jewelry has tarnished and I get so many compliments on everything that I wear. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into it. So every month you're gonna get this little bag right here that keeps your jewelry in it. And I'm actually on a trip to Florida. And what I did is I use these little bags and I basically put all the jewelry corresponding to what outfit I'm wearing. So it's just easy to go ahead and organize everything and I have my outfit all ready to go. So I'm actually using these little bags as like an organizational piece as well. So I really appreciate these bags. Don't throw these things out because it's really good quality. It's canvas. It's not going to get all messed up. So first thing I'm going to share with you guys that's in the box is a bracelet. So this is the Alley bracelet. And you can choose between either a silver box or you can do a gold box. So this is the Alley bracelet right here. So it has some little rhinestones and there's circles. I love this because you can put the bracelet on yourself. I always appreciate a bracelet you can put on by yourself so you don't need help from anyone. So I love how dainty and just classic looking this bracelet is. So I think that this is just a stunning piece. And this is retailed for $49 to $59.99. So you've already made your money back and look at how easy it is to go ahead and take the bracelet off. I'm telling you guys, I appreciate a bracelet I can put on by myself because sometimes I don't always have the help of my husband or my mom to help me with my jewelry pieces. So I just appreciate easy jewelry so much. Okay, so the next thing in the box are some earrings and this is the Tina hoops. So these are some gold hoops and I actually don't have just some basic gold hoops. So I know, I'm feeling like Mean Girls right here. So it is just a it's kind of like a matte gold and it has like a little detail of like a curved, kind of like roped type, not rope, but it's like curved. It's not straight, so there's some texture into the earring, which I absolutely love and appreciate. So these are super cute, absolutely adorable. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack that in this little baggie so I make sure I sport this jewelry while I am in Florida. And then the next thing is the Bella necklace. And well, first off, the hoops retail for $20 to $24.99. And this is the necklace right here. This is the Bella necklace. It retails for $30 to $39.99. So this is the necklace right here. So it is just a gold necklace. It's kind of like a trinket type necklace. It reminds me of like a Roman theme necklace right here. So I think that this is super cute and it definitely will be something that you can layer with. So I absolutely love that. So this is everything that is in my Julie box for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Below if you have tried out the Julie box, because I would love to hear your feedback if you are subscribed to them. And again, use my code below and you can save 10% off of your first order. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day and I will talk to you all later. Bye.